Hi, my name's Noel and today I'm going to be showing you some stretches to get into your split. The first stretch you're going to be doing is putting your legs together and sitting on the ground and trying to reach as far. And you want to try to grab your heels. Hold this for 45 seconds. And lunge. The object of it is to try to get your leg as close to the ground as possible. You want to hold this for 45 seconds. Now put your knee on the ground and pull your foot as close to your butt as possible. Hold this for 30 seconds. Now, from this, you're going to put your knee on the ground, straighten your front leg, and try to touch your nose to your knee, and you want to hold this for 30 seconds. Now you want to take your foot, put it on your knee. This is a hip flexor. What you want to do is try to get your foot as close to your chest as possible. You want to hold this for 30 seconds. Now you want to lay on your back and pull your knee as close to your chest as possible. Hold this for 30 seconds. Now from this position, you want to go into your leg extension. You want to hold this for 30 seconds. Now you want to put your leg up on your dresser or anything really high, and you want to, going from this position, from bending, you want to straighten. And then bend and straighten. And you want to do that for 1 minute. Now you want to separate your legs and you want to try to touch your foot. You want to go from this one to this one and do that for a minute. Now you want to turn your feet this way and then you want to try to touch the ground. And then when you've held that for 30 seconds, then you want to switch the other way and do it the other way. Now sit down and you want to grab your foot and you want to put it on your thigh and then try to touch your foot. Do this for 30 seconds. Now you want to spread your legs apart and you want to bend your legs and try to push your legs out as far as possible. You want to do this for 30 seconds on each side. Make sure to really feel that stretch. Now you want to go back into your lunge and you want to lunge and you want to try to get as low as you possibly can, and then you want to flex and you want to try to get as low as you possibly can. Now you want to do this until you really feel like you're getting really low. Now you want to take a pillow and you want to lunge and flex, and then you want to try to slide into your splits and hold it there for a minute. Now you want to lunge and flex on the ground and try to slide into your splits. Hold your splits for 2 minutes. Make sure to do all of these stretches on both legs. Hope you enjoyed and hope you got your splits.